Here we are at our open house. We are ready for our new school year, 2025-2026. We are moving full steam ahead. We're so excited to welcome back all of our scholars and our families. Today is an exciting day.
So from today's open house, our parents can expect to receive resources that are going to be of support for our families. They're going to receive information regarding transportation, information about the classroom, and all initiatives that will be happening for our youngest scholars, which would be our kindergartners.
The importance of today for open house is for an opportunity for our parents and our students and our teachers to have that first date. That is that very important first impression. We want to ensure that everybody's first impression is the best impression. So today, our parents not only received their student schedules, but they also were able to learn about the different organizations and teams and clubs that we have available here at the school. We also made sure that we communicated our school supply list so that they can be prepared for day one. On top of that, we made sure to communicate certain expectations that we have as a building, as far as our dress code expectations, our cell phone policies, and to make sure that they knew their way home on that first day, which is the most important thing. And our parents and our teachers make sure that that information is conveyed today.
Just know, parents, that we are here for you. We understand that we have to be interconnected in order to make sure that our scholars do well. We look forward to the 2025-26 school year, and we know that amazing things are going to happen.
We strive every day to ensure that we have 100% growth for every student, and it starts today to ensure that we are ready to do what is necessary here at the school. Our motto for our students is to secure the bag. That means behavior, attendance, and grades is a #1 priority each and every day, and we ensure that everybody listens and hears the same thing so that we can all travel on one accord.